Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect gelato using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Freshness is key for a truly delicious gelato, so always check your dates. Before we begin cooking, make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been chilling in the freezer for at least 24 hours. This crucial step ensures your gelato will churn correctly and achieve that signature smooth texture. Now, let's create our rich gelato base. In a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. In a separate bowl, whisk together 6 egg yolks and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar until they are light and pale. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring until it coats the back of a spoon. Once your custard base is cooked, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step removes any small bits of cooked egg, ensuring a perfectly silky smooth gelato. Now, cover the bowl and chill the base in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. A thoroughly cold base is essential for proper churning. Finally, pour the chilled mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, until it resembles a soft serve consistency. After churning, your gelato will be soft, like a delicious soft serve. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container, pressing plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals. Place the container in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up to the perfect scoopable consistency. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This slight softening makes it easier to scoop and enhances its creamy texture. Enjoy your incredible homemade gelato.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.